Right, so. I just left it right, so. Cause, me sure know say, all of them somebody we are going with him and who know who, me sit down and hold up my stress. And when whatever did I go on, him come and say, ask you if him in a trouble. Him say, who I go beat me? Me in a trouble? Who know? So me no want nobody come say nothing to me. Me no want nobody come say nothing to me. A long time, I say, look how long me and my baby father left. Me and Chad left long time. Long time. And me sure know say when me and Chad left, after that, who no see me parried right through. Down here. Me parried right through. Who no see no other man around me. None at all. Whether if we are friend or we there for true or for internet or for fake, him alone me there. There on. Right through. Right through. And if me there around him, who no see nobody around me. So, what kind of testing him I do? Listen, me no blood clot figure. Me no figure. And me no science project. Who want run test, go and go run blood clot test. How much more now me and Donnie a friend? About 6 to 7 months. How long you test so? How much test that? And how much test you run so? Anything you want to believe, you know. Just believe, say. Me and him a friend. Like me and him been friends, me and him a friend. And that. If him even a cash out about nothing over now, nothing at all over no icky over now. Over no dancing, over no club. And just a fee media. You just know say a fee media. A fee media. I know everybody at talk about. Oh, she fucky. Oh, she this. Oh, she that. First of all, me fuck anybody who want fuck. I know now you can't stop that. Me fuck anybody who want fuck. Me do anything I want do.